I had been staring at live cams of the Icelandic volcano for days, since a series of earthquakes had begun to hit the area. But 4 days later, and still nothing. Until all of a sudden, on Monday 10th of July 2023, I saw smoke. It was confirmed, the volcano had erupted for the third time in 3 years. Just 2 months after my girlfriend and I had returned from a 10-day road trip around Iceland. So we did the only sensible thing really, and bought ourselves last minute tickets for Reykjavik.
It's currently 4 a.m. local time, which for us is actually 6 a.m. We haven't slept yet. We just stepped out of the plane and we've been hiking for 45 minutes. We still have at least 2 hours to go, but we're not tired, are we?
No!
We have the volcano fumes in front of us.
Smells like a barbecue.
And it has a very red hue and it's very epic, but we can't wait to actually see the real deal. So let's go. So it's important to know that the big danger of this volcano is not the lava itself. I mean, it's still dangerous, it's the lava, but it's actually the gases. And this eruption, compared to the two previous ones in 2021 and 22, has a lot more of gas coming out, which could be very dangerous for our health. Could have short-term damage, but also longer-term damage. So that's why you really have to walk with the wind to make sure that the gas don't flow in your lungs, basically. So fun fact about Iceland in July or during the whole summer, there's basically no dark hours. I'm not sure how it looks on the camera, but it looks like it's 6 a.m, 7 a.m, but no, it's only 4 a.m. something. So over there we have the eruption, and over there the sunrise, and there Frederica. we just saw it for the first time, a bit from far away, but we actually see lava coming out of the crater. And honestly, I don't know if it's because we're very tired or it's just that powerful, but we're getting emotional seeing it. Oh, it's incredible to see this in real life. Oh, I just can't believe it. Wow. We really thought we still had about 1 hour and a half to walk before we would see anything. But right now I don't even mind walking another hour and a half if I get to see this the whole time.
How is this real?
It's really hard to understand what we're seeing. There's just red glowy stuff coming out of the ground and then falling back down and becoming rock. A lot of smoke in the air. It's very hard to understand.
We couldn't believe our eyes. We had made it to the eruption. An adventure that had escaped me twice already. Once because of COVID travel restrictions in 2021, and a second time last year because of financial reasons. This time I wasn't going to let anything come into my way, and was determined to get as close as possible.
I'm gonna try and get even closer and hopefully even fly my drone. So let's go. There's a lot of smoke around us, but it's not actually coming out of the magma. It's all of the moss on the ground that's burning because of the heat underground. So it's very cool. We made it to the volcano and it's just incredible. We made it.
We were still very emotional, or very tired, having not slept for the past 26 hours. We just couldn't wait another day to see it. I still can't believe I've seen an erupting volcano with my own eyes.
Alright, that's the end of this spontaneous adventure to the volcano. At least that's the end of day 1. We're here for another 5 to 6 days, so if you want to see more about Iceland and the volcano, make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.